In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you that how to get your TikTok video without watermark or in clear mode. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. First of all, click on the TikTok app. You have to get this video on your profile that you have uploaded. Click on the profile. You can see here videos that you have uploaded. Click on any of the video. Now click on video. You will see here options a lot. Clear mode or save video. You have to turn it on clear mode. Clicking this, you will save your video in your gallery without watermark. On a clear mode, these icons that are appearing at side will not be shown in your saved video. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.